Okay, so by now you've probably seen and probably learned all about the GoPro Hero 11, which is GoPro's latest flagship camera and all it can do. You may also know that the GoPro Hero 11 Mini has been released on, I want to say the 24th of October, maybe it's the 25th. Pretty sure it's the 24th of October, but there could be many reasons for this delay, but that's not what this video is going to focus on. Instead, this video is going to focus on the differences between the Hero 10, Hero 11, and Hero 11 Mini. And trust me, this is something you're really going to want to know about if you plan on purchasing the Hero 11 Mini, as there are some details that are going to be revealed in this video, and these details have not been shared to the general public at large. So, sit back, enjoy the video. This is DemonView, and this is all about the specs of the GoPro Hero 11 Mini. Hi there, welcome to the channel, and I appreciate you tuning in. If this is your first time here, you may want to hit that subscribe button, as I use this channel to share tips, tricks, and reviews. And click that like button while you're at it. It really helps out with the channel views and helps get the information that people need to know directly into their hands. Also, it doesn't cost you anything. Don't be lazy. Click the like button. Anyway, on with the video. So I'm going to try and make this short and sweet and let you know the direct comparisons between the Hero 10, the Hero 11, and the yet-to-be-released Hero 11 Mini. And these cameras can do a lot of the same things, so what I'm concentrating on is the differences between the models and not any of the shared things that they can all do. So let's begin. 10-bit HEVC recording. This basically brings the amount of colors that the camera can capture and compress from, I think it was 16.7 million up to 1 billion colors. And yeah, you heard that right. So if you've shot video before and you've noticed banding in certain colors like blue skies or grays, I mean, this isn't going to be the case anymore. 10-bit HEVC recording is a huge leap for the camera. The Hero 10 obviously doesn't support this, but both the Hero 11 and the Hero 11 Mini will. And then we go on to the max bitrate. On the Hero 10, that topped out at 100 megabits per second. However, this can be increased with the GoPro Labs firmware. With the Hero 11 and the Hero 11 Mini, it actually tops out at 120 megabits per second. And that can also be increased with the GoPro Labs firmware. Horizon lock and leveling. On the Hero 10, horizon leveling is available. Horizon lock is available using the max lens mod, but that drops it down to 2.7K. But horizon lock is available on the max, without the max lens mod, I should say, on both the Hero 11 and Hero 11 Mini. And then we're on to the video file format, and this is very important. The Hero 10 supported HEVC, which is H.265, and it had a setting that allowed it to also record in H.264 for compatibility. However, the Hero 11 and the Hero 11 Mini only support H.265 HEVC, and that's fine because these are newer cameras. They're doing a heck of a lot more work and processing and a lot of more information with that 10-bit color. So if you have an older PC or an older, cheaper cell phone, you had better upgrade before you purchase the Hero 11 or 11 Mini. Your device needs to be HEVC compatible to be able to play back videos and edit them. So now we're on to some of the features that require the touchscreen, and obviously the Hero 11 Mini is not going to support some of these features, such as the touch zoom. You can do like 2 times on the Hero 10 and 11. Not available on the Hero 11 Mini though. Like I said, this is because it doesn't have a touchscreen, so no touch zoom. Looping mode. Yeah, that's available on the Hero 10, it's available on the Hero 11, but not the Hero 11 Mini. Whether or not this changes later on with the firmware update, I don't know, it's not known at the moment, but as of this time of recording this video, it's not available. So, the 8 to 7 video modes. 8 to 7 video, no on the Hero 10 obviously, yes on the Hero 11 and the Hero 11 Mini, however only in 30 and 24 frames per second. And yep, that's to be expected. The Hero 11 and the Hero 11 Mini have that taller sensor, and that's why you're going to get the 8 to 7 video and not on the Hero 10. 8 to 7 4K wide, no on the Hero 10, yes on the Hero 11, yes on the Hero 11 Mini at 60 frames per second. Hyperview, no on the Hero 10, doesn't have the sensor size, but on the Hero 11 and the Hero 11 Mini, available at 30 and 24 frames per second. 5 to 3K Super View. Hero 10, yeah, that's available at 30 and 24 frames per second. On the Hero 11 and Hero 11 Mini, you're going to get it at 60, 30 and 24 frames per second. 5 to 3K Linear and Horizon Lock on the Hero 10, nope. Hero 11 and Hero 11 Mini, 30 and 24 frames per second. 5 to 3K Narrow, yeah, on the Hero 10, no on the Hero 11 and no on the Hero 11 Mini. And that's not really a huge surprise. I mean, I'm pretty sure GoPro said it's an outdated thing that not a lot of people used. And so it's just not available on the Hero 11 and Hero 11 Mini. 4K Hyperview. No on the Hero 10, obviously, because it doesn't have the sensor size, but yes on the Hero 11 and the Hero 11 Mini at 60 frames per second. Hindsight. Yes on the Hero 10, yes on the Hero 11, no on the Hero 11 Mini. Schedule capture, yes on the Hero 10, yes on the Hero 11, no on the Hero 11 Mini. And again, that's something that you need the touchscreen to set up, so that's why it's not available on the Hero 11 Mini. Whether or not that changes with some maybe the app updates or not, who knows. Duration capture, yes on the Hero 10, yes on the Hero 11, no on the Hero 11 Mini. Again, that's something that's traditionally set up with the touchscreen, so there we go. Live streaming, yes on all 3 cameras in 1080p, although I'm not sure if this is working on the Hero 10 yet or not with the new updated app. Although, having said that, I haven't got around to testing it out in the Hero 10. I suspect that YouTube live streaming is still not working because it's not working with the Hero 11. As soon as you go to set up live streaming on YouTube with the Hero 11, that option is grayed out. You probably still can do it with the RTMP server or using, the media mod video out and run it through OBS Studio, but not directly from the app or in camera like you could before. Webcam mode. Yes on the Hero 10, yes on the Hero 11. No on the Hero 11 Mini, and that's kind of surprising, but again, could be just waiting on a firmware update. ProTune, yes on the Hero 10, yes on the Hero 11, and yes, but only with the app on the Hero 11 Mini, not surprising, no rear screen. But the big one that seems to be a point of contention for most people, advanced metadata. So we're not just talking gyro data, we're talking about GPS data. Yes, it's available on the Hero 10, yes, it's on the 11, but not on the Hero 11 Mini. Apparently, it does not have a built-in GPS chip. Yeah, so there you have it. It's not really like a huge list of differences, but there are some interesting things about the Hero 11 Mini, such as the no touch zoom, no looping mode, no hindsight, no schedule capture, no duration capture, no webcam mode, no advanced metadata, likely due to the fact that it doesn't have a GPS chip. Did you get all that? Anyway, so it looks like we're not just missing a screen on the Hero 11, it looks like there's a lot of software features that are missing too. Now, there may be a bit of light at the end of the tunnel here. Although that data comes from the official spec sheet, you have to remember that the GoPro Hero 11 is not being released until October 24th. So GoPro still have a while to tweak the firmware, work on some app implementation, and so while some of these features are not supported at the moment, they could possibly be introduced at a later date, or they may be supported using the GoPro Labs firmware, especially things like the schedule capture. That is something that was introduced with the, I think it was the GoPro Hero 8 Labs firmware, and it made its way into the mainstream cameras. Like I said, that's something that requires a touchscreen to set up, so it could possibly be done using the QR Control app and the GoPro Labs firmware on the Mini, but that remains to be seen. I have a feeling that the limitations on the data sheet were probably just for like the beta testers to let them know what's available for them to test like here and now, and some of these limitations are due to the lack of the screen on the GoPro, as I mentioned. So some of this could change by the release date. So there you have it, the list of differences between the GoPro Hero 10, GoPro Hero 11, and the GoPro Hero 11 Mini. I hope you found this video interesting and that it helps you make up your mind regarding what you want to purchase. And if you have any questions about your GoPro in general or the GoPro Hero 11 and need to know more details, then just leave a comment down below. I will try to reply as soon as possible. In the meantime, thanks for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you click like and subscribe buttons. It only takes a second. It's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a thing. Yeah, go click. Don't be lazy. Click, click. It's one little thumbs up icon. Anyway, if you do that, I'd really appreciate it, and I hope you tune back soon so you can actually learn some more inside information or just get some tips and tricks with your camera. Until then, cheerio.